Now we look at the application process for Uttar Pradesh NEET UG counselling. So first we look at the application process. We have given the steps here. So the first step is you need to understand the application website. So the application website is available under upneet.gov.in. This is the application website. You will have to go there and you will be able to fill the application. And you will have to register using your NEET roll number and your application number and fill the registration form. Okay. So the registration form will be very similar to the NTA form. You'll have to fill all the details according to your documents. So you'll have your documents, right? So you can look at the documents and you can fill the application form. This is done online. And all the required documents has to be filled, and candidates will have to create a password, and this password that you create in the application form after you fill all the details will also be used for the choice filling process. And after filling the application form and creating the password, you will have to pay the registration fee to complete the application process. So when you're paying the registration fee, please note that this is a non-refundable registration fee of 2000 rupees, and it is valid only for round 1 and round 2. Okay, please note that this is valid only for round 1 and round 2 counselling of the UP NEET counselling. And so all this application process and the registration is based on last year's rules. This year that might be changes. There are talks that the Uttar Pradesh the rounds are going to change. So last year we had round 1, round 2 and there was a mop-up round, but this year it might be slightly different. There will be round 1, round 2, round 3 and then a straight round, just like other counselling. So we'll have to wait and see. As of now, this is the rule because the information bulletin hasn't been published. Okay, so after paying the registration fee, you will be able to download the registration form, which is the filled in registration form, and you will be able to download the registration fee receipt as well. Okay, and after you download the registration form and you get the receipt, you will have to pay a security deposit for the counselling. So security deposit is the amount that you have to be that has to be paid. So there are certain conditions where this amount will be forfeited. That means the counselling authority will hold this amount or they will take this amount. So we'll look at these conditions later, but the security deposit has to be paid to be eligible for the counselling. If you don't pay this amount, you won't be eligible for the counselling. So, and this security details are given below, and for government colleges, the security amount is 30,000 rupees. And if you are interested to apply both government and private colleges, then it is 2 lakh rupees. And if you are interested to apply only for dental colleges, government and private, then it is 1 lakh. And after this application process is done, you will have your application, filled in application form. You will be able to print out the application. After this, you will also have to upload the documents in the application form. Okay, so these are the documents that will be required to be uploaded in the application form. High school mark sheet is required, intermediate mark sheet is required, certificates that are related to reservation. So we saw the reservation, there is horizontal reservation and communal reservation. So if you are interested in taking up these reservation and you are eligible for this reservation, then you will have to submit the documents that are related to it. And also domicile certificate is required if you are a candidate. We already saw this. If you are a candidate who has studied outside Uttar Pradesh, but you are a native of Uttar Pradesh, then your domicile certificate should also be uploaded. Okay, and during the online uploading of the documents, you will also have to select a nodal center for this purpose. So nodal center you will have to select when uploading the documents. This will also be helpful for a later stage. Hope you enjoyed this short video. To watch the full video on our website, the link is in the description.